Retail arbitrage is the easiest way to dip your toe in the water with Amazon FBA to find out if it's for you. So let's find out how simple it can be. Hello and welcome to the Income Highway. This is the show where we talk all about how to build and grow your online business. My name is Paul James Curry, and as you can see, today is a brown hoodie day, so we're talking about Amazon. So firstly, what is retail arbitrage? It's actually really simple. It's just buying something in a store and selling it for more on Amazon. That's really it in a nutshell. So just a really quick example. So let's say that you were to go into the likes of a Walmart and you see something that's on sale. You actually buy that for, let's say, 10 bucks and you can sell it on Amazon for 20 bucks. Well, then you've just made $10 through retail arbitrage. That's all it is. Now, Amazon do have an incredible app for this. So essentially what you can do is you can go into a store, you can scan the barcode of that item with the Amazon app and it will show you how much it's selling for on Amazon, and then you can calculate and put in the price that you can buy it for there and then in the likes of a Walmart, and it will show you what your profit will be. Now, the best and easiest way to jump into this is straight away go for the clearance section. Whatever's on sale, normally you can obviously get it at a better price and then sell it for a bit more on Amazon. Now, I have heard the argument before of, well, surely if it's for clearance in Walmart, it will be sold cheaper on Amazon also. That's not actually always the case. I've been in situations before where I've been in stores and I'm looking at blank VHS tapes, yes, videotapes, and blank cassettes, things that people don't use at all anymore, or so we would assume. But I did a quick scan of them with the Amazon app, and the price that I could buy them for compared to what they were selling for on Amazon was actually quite a good bit of profit. Now, I'd imagine that this is the case because they are more difficult items to find, so if somebody wants to find them, they'll probably have to go online at this stage. Knowing that they can't really get them anywhere else, they'll have to pay that higher premium. So that's just one of those kind of outside the box ways of thinking about this also. Another great idea is to visit the likes of charity shops or thrift stores. So you could walk in and you could see something that again is like 10 bucks, but you know it can sell for a lot more, and you can even give it a quick scan on your Amazon app and see what it can sell for on Amazon. Places like that are fantastic when you don't want to invest too much, but you still want to invest a little bit just to see if this kind of thing is for you. Now, if it is for you and you start to dive a bit deeper into this, what I would recommend is if you are in those clearance aisles in the likes of Walmart and you see, again, you can buy something for 10 bucks and sell for 20 on Amazon, instead of buying one, buy whatever's there. If there's 10 of those items, buy them. Again, that means that you're buying them for 100 bucks, you're selling them for 200 bucks on Amazon. I mean, essentially they could actually all sell in the same day, and I've had cases like this before where I've sent something in not knowing if it's going to sell, and then they all sell out pretty much instantly. The only issue with retail arbitrage I find is that you don't know where the next payment's going to come from, because if you've already cleared out the clearance section of that particular Walmart store, well then you don't know what the next product is you're going to sell. As opposed to when you're selling your own product, you can just order more supplies from your supplier or whatever it may be at all. But when you're doing retail arbitrage, you just kind of have to keep looking and looking and looking. Now, some people actually prefer that. They like to look for something new every time. They like the game of it, essentially, rather than selling the same thing over and over again. And if you're one of those people, then retail arbitrage is for you. And another great thing is when you're buying a quantity of a few items, well then actually it's cheaper to ship them to Amazon. So instead of buying one item and shipping it, one item and shipping it to Amazon, it doesn't really make any sense to do that. I mean, obviously at the start, yes, do it to test to see if it's your kind of game, see if you like it. But obviously in the future, when you buy quite a lot of items, send them all to Amazon in bulk. Then Amazon will distribute it to each customer individually. So you don't have to send in one by one. You can send in a whole box of things to Amazon. And they don't even have to be the same box of things. You can send in a box of completely random items, all in different orders. I did do a whole podcast about how simple retail arbitrage can actually be, and I gave a few examples in there as well. So if you want to check that out, links in the description. Podcast goes on for about 20 minutes. So there you have it, guys. That's how simple retail arbitrage can be. If you want to learn more sort of stuff like this in the future, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I do make new videos every single week, and there's a new podcast every week also. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, don't be afraid to leave a comment below or even send me an email to my personal email, which is paul@theincomehighway.com. Always happy to give anyone the answers that they're looking for. Have a great day, guys, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.